Okay, here is a chart last few days of trading in our room, and these are just some highlights, but the point of this chart is to show, to kind of expand upon when you hear us comment in our videos about we're accused of being boring sometimes. There's a ton of opportunities out there. You could take a FCX, Freeport McMoran or U.S. Steel, and be pretty sure you're going to get a dollar move if you buy it at this certain point, right? But at the same time, um, how much is it going to possibly go against you before it proves you to be right? Okay, so that's where our boringness, if that's a word, comes in. From today in our chat, for example, called GCI at 1444, and it went to 1512. Now, that's in and of itself not necessarily something to brag about, okay? But the important thing that we try to focus on is here's where the stop, 7 cents below our 1444, never got hit. NVIDIA today, 22 cents below. From 1585 it went to 1660, but 22 cents initial risk. And keep that in mind, when you have a 22-cent initial risk, usually if we get a move in our favor, it doesn't take really maybe 5 minutes to move our stop to break even. But when you see these risks, that's the initial risk, okay? STEC today, stop was 8 cents below, never got hit. It only went up from 1420 to 1468, but that's still a very nice risk, or I should say reward, versus this kind of risk. Mattel the other day, stop was 7 cents below, and the thing went up almost a dollar. That's where our boring comment comes from, because oftentimes there'll just be silence while we're searching for ideas, because the ideas that we want to find are going to have something like this: a stop 12 cents below. Okay, TXT 1908 went to 1987, and every one of these, this is just from the last couple of days of trading, the stop that you see posted here did not get hit before this price was reached on all of them. Okay, so that's important to understand. This is a nice move. DNR 1364 to 1413. Stop was 8 cents below. So that's where our boring NRG 12 cents below. A nice move there too. So that's where the boring stuff comes in. And I know we joke about it all the time, but to me, if you're gonna have a chat room, a live trading chat room, and put out ideas, you want to make them to where people aren't putting a lot of money at risk. So our main focus is doing stuff like this. And if we don't find something, or if something has a really wide stop, my favorite instruction in the world is, hey, we won't take it. Just pass on the trade. There's nothing wrong with it. It doesn't cost you a dime to pass on a trade. So if the setup isn't there, there's no reason to take a lot of risk. We can always move on and find another idea. So not going to bore you with any more. We're going to wrap this up, and should be a free pick coming tonight or tomorrow night. So have a great evening.